Yes.
One fixed matter of first half, item number 13.
In this case, I filed my so-called on behalf of District Education Officer Vaisali. As per so-called my lord 40,000 and 16-month maintenance I had paid my lord. Pay slip also next my lord which is an actual. Page 14 of the so-called. So direction of this honorable court has been fully.
No, why the DO did not comply with the order of the learned court below?
My lord, due to lack of knowledge, my lord,
What lack of knowledge?
district.
Who is the superintendent of police?
Yes, sir.
Please come forward. Please come ahead. Why you were called in this court?
Sir, I was called to produce the person, to take him into custody and to bring him over here. I have brought.
You know the reason?
Sir, because the compliance could not be done in time.
See, the courts are sometimes compelled to call for your appearance.
Sir.
Warrant of arrest was issued in 2019. Why it was not executed for so long?
Sir, I submit my apologies, sir.
No, I am not interested in seeking your apology. I am neither here to blame you. What has happened to the system as a whole? I am concerned about the prevailing conditions. If the court is looking for your personal appearance because a warrant of arrest issued by the court below is not getting executed for about 3 years. That gives me an impression that being the officer in command of your district, you are not supervising the cases in which the warrant of arrest are pending for execution. Whenever I call an officer's personal appearance, I think twice, is it required? And I find that in this case, the warrant has not been executed for 3 years. After all, somebody has to take the responsibility. And you are at the aim of the affair, so you will be held liable for this.
Your Lordship,
Where is the petitioner?
Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of my
Where is the
district.
petitioner?
I am on
Where is
behalf
the petitioner?
petitioner. Come here. Come here.
क्यों आप क्यों अवॉइड कर रहे हैं कोर्ट के ऑर्डर को?
गलती हो गई मां, गलती हो गई।
Now your
आपको
Lordship,
कोर्ट ने सजा सुनाया है, कोर्ट ने आपको सजा सुनाया है और आप टीचर हैं स्कूल में।
जी सर।
यही आप टीचर हैं कि आप कानून के नज़र में दोषी पाए गए हैं, आपको इम्प्रिजनमेंट दिया गया है और आप जो है मजे से ऑर्डर को बिना कंप्लाई किए हुए काम कर रहे हैं अपना। आप क्या समझ रहे हैं कानून ठीक है, यहाँ लेट हो रहा है एक्सेप्शन में, लेकिन ये अगर दिमाग में आपके आ गई है कि कानून को काम ही नहीं होगा कभी,
नहीं हुजूर,
क्या होगा? And where is the district education officer?
My lord, I have filed on behalf of district education.
You have filed what?
My lord, 72,000 deducted from the salary of the petitioner, my lord, and same has been deposited in the account of opposite party number 1. I have annexed the pay slip of the so-called.
Why he had not complied with the order?
My lord, district education officer, he recently joined, my lord. There is no knowledge about the present earlier order, my lord. When the came to know lordship order, immediately deducted the salary of the petitioner and deposit in the account of the opposite party.
Now entire amount has been paid.
72,000 paid, my lord. 40,000, my lord, and 16 month maintenance.
बोलिए जब हम लोग
I have annexed the slip, pay slip.
पूछने दीजिए बारी बारी से मत
And year 2019, 2000 also paid to the opposite party number.
Yes,
Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
yes.
My friend has requested to appear before my lords because my lord's order has made the weather too hot. But today, when the hearing is being taken up, it has become too cool, your lordship.
This-
Therefore, I made a request. I have advised my friend.
This court's environment always remains very cool.
I know,
Huh, don't you know?
Your lordship.
But at the same time, the court always remains very strict in its order.
In its order. And I have seen that order and I have immediately advised that please seek permission from the honorable court to withdraw this.
इस व्यक्ति की हिम्मत देखिए.
Jay. I have scolded him. I have scolded him. This is highly improper. You are a teacher. You are working in the school. Why you are not obeying the order passed by the...
He has come to this court.
Your Lord,
His
unnecessarily.
sister here.
Since my
And
friend
he
is...
is not complying with the order of the court.
Your Lordship, since my friend is very young, therefore he could not take care of the pros and cons of that case.
Who couldn't take care of it?
Therefore, your Lordship, it has been filed. But now he realized his mistake.
No,
He
no,
is sufficiently
he
penalized.
had a right to file.
He
can
has
seek-
been arrested.
He can always seek his remedy in accordance with law.
My Lord.
That is not the question. The question is that
But in
the
receipt
amount
of-
which he was directed to be paid by
To
this
be
court
paid. To be paid.
in the year 2019,
Your Lordship.
he got an order, interim order. You see why he has been brought here.
Your Lordship.
He got an order of stay from this court in 2019.
19.
And the term of stay was that he will continue to pay rupees
Continue to
2,000
pay.
per month.
Yes, yes.
तो क्या हुआ? इन्होंने तो उस स्टे को यूटिलाइज किया.
He violated that order.
He has played a fraud upon the court.
Yes, your Lordship. I can't defend. Therefore, I have received affidavit from the Superintendent of Police in which he has enclosed the document. May I invite your Lordship's kind attention?
इनको कोर्ट बिलो ने सजा तक दे दिया 1 महीने तक.
जी.
और उसके बाद भी वारंट इवेट कर रहे हैं. और हमारे यहाँ की सिस्टम भी वही है, पुलिस का भी वही हाल है.
Since
यहाँ एक एक्सक्यूशन ऑफ वारंट के लिए
your Lordship.
सुप्रिंटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस को लगाना पड़ता है.
But
इनके
1 year
पता नहीं
back,
इनके दारोगा और अदर लोग क्या कर रहे हैं.
your Lordship, he has also come with that officer in charge of the Mahua police
क्या
station
बुला करके करेंगे.
and Katara police
सस्पेंड
station.
किया अभी तक उसको.
They have searched the warrant register, but the NBW could not be traced, your Lordship. Unbelievable warrant was missing. Therefore, in that background, yes, some
Okay, this is
would have been
common kind of reply.
Your
Again
Lordship.
coming from you. They have searched. Abhi recently I had come across similar kind of submission in case of Fulwari Sari police station.
Milo.
An order of the court by which a report was called for in respect of release of a vakil, that order was not complied with for 4 years. For 4 years. And only when the officer in charge was called here, then in next 3-4 days,
It has been traced out.
everything has been done and then I directed for release of the vakil.
May I
क्या
invite
होगा कॉमनर का क्या होगा. हम तो ये सोच रहे हैं कि ठीक है इस कुर्सी पर
my
बैठ
Lordship
करके हम
correctly thinking about this
नहीं इस
system.
कुर्सी पर मुझे कई बार ये चिंता होती है कि इस
जी।
कुर्सी पर बैठ करके तो ठीक है सारी बात
नहीं, your Lordship,
देख
I
रहे हैं. आज
rightly
हम एक केस में ऑर्डर भी कर देंगे
जी।
फिर कंप्लाई हो जाएगा.
rightly said
बट
the
व्हाट इज
Superintendent.
हैपनिंग टू द सोसाइटी, द पुअर्स, द डाउन ट्रॉडन हु आर रनिंग फ्रॉम पिलर टू पोस्ट,
Yes,
दिस
Lord.
कोर्ट टू दैट कोर्ट, फ्रॉम दिस मजिस्ट्रेट टू दैट मजिस्ट्रेट,
That magistrate.
from one ASI, one Chowkidar to the Superintendent of Police. And I'm always saying all these people, you are also a part of this system.
Your Lordship.
कल को जब आपके ऊपर यही बात गुजरेगी
जी.
आप जब इस सिस्टम के चपेट में आइएगा
जी
तो आप वैसे ही रोइएगा जैसे ये रो रहा है।
जी
ये अगर हर व्यक्ति सोच ले ना कि सिस्टम को क्यों सुधारना चाहिए तो
जी।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
May I invite my lord's attention to the affidavit has been served upon me by the superintendent of police.
यस पुलिस
Kalpandi, affidavit. SP Vaisali. Your lordships, straight away I would like to invite page 10, Annex A. This is the memo of arresting of the petitioner. And yesterday, in late evening, he has been arrested, and he is present before my lords, and the superintendent of police is also present. For identification, my friend has also enclosed Annexure B, that is the Aadhaar document, Aadhaar card of the
ठीक है,
petitioner.
ये सब तो बात हो गई, ये
ये
सब
लॉर्ड।
टेक्निकलिटीज में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है।
Your lordship.
He has
So
produced
far the payment part is concerned, your lordship,
Yeah.
that is Annexure F and F and G. And superintendent of police also, your lordship issued necessary instruction to very next day, immediately the fax message has been received from the deputy registrar of our high court. Immediately he acted upon that fax message and instructed them to get him arrested. And further pressure was also mounted upon the petitioner to make the payment. Ultimately, it has come to me, my friend has discussed with me, I have advised that no, litigating terms is not proper. Let this application be permitted to withdraw, and thereafter you maintain, and you pay the compensation in accordance with law and the order passed by the Principal Judge Family Court. We have to remain a wider. He is also here. He is begging apology. माफी मांगो, केस विड्रॉ करो। माफी मांगो।
ये टोटल रुपया कितना बनता है इसका अभी तक?
My lord, may I assist your lordship? With respect to calculation, I am appearing on behalf of the opposite party.
Yes, yes. Why are you changing the side? Why
My
do-
lord,
अच्छा
आप आ जाइए सर।
अच्छा
सर बोले कि हम वहीं रहेंगे तो।
नहीं बैठने के समय हो, बैठने के समय हो गया हो जो। And I was actually I have forgotten myself because two years I have remained in my village home in period of COVID-19.
Very good.
No, therefore
Must have improved upon your health.
and my house is situated in Vaisali district. My lordship might have been marked that center of excellence of the fruits and vegetables.
Desri,
Dasari.
I have visited there.
Yeah, your lordship.
Because after doing JASIP,
जी,
I have only interest in doing this farming.
जी, ये the assisting horticulture.
I have gone to Desri, I have gone to Chandi, I have gone to all other
Chandi in
places
vegetable center, your lordship.
where these centers are there.
जी. 2 days back, the Israeli people have also come to meet in my horticulture and to see our.
Very good.
जी.
Yes.
Was passed 7/9/2016.
Yes.
The order was that of amount of 2,000 rupees shall be released to the OP. Till June 2022, 70 months have passed, my lord.
70 months.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
So, as per the formula, 1,40,000 is the total amount due till
Yes.
June 2022,
Yes.
out of which 6,000 rupees have
Paid
been
so
paid
far.
so far in 2019.
Yes.
I have been just informed that an amount of 1,18,000 has been paid. So total paid amount would be 1,24,000.
1,24,000. And the simple calculation shows that you should have got 1,40,000 by this time.
Lordship.
है
So
ना?
16,000 rupees is my lord.
Now tell me, इनका कितना सैलरी है?
36,000 and odds.
36.
About 37,000.
ये इनकी वाइफ तो है?
Lordship.
हाँ, हाँ.
इनकी वाइफ है ना?
Shivaj, his wife, now she has married. I have advised him to retain her. then my friend is
I'll be
conveyed me.
controverting the submission that she
हाँ,
has
ना, ना,
married.
ठीक है।
Rather, the petitioner has married for the second time.
नहीं नहीं वो भी तो कर लिया है लेडी।
I have no such instruction.
अच्छा नहीं सर, अच्छा सॉरी। तो
It is
इन्होंने
not on
सेकंड,
record, it-
हाँ हाँ ना ठीक है, सेकंड मैरिज हुई इन्होंने कर लिया है। डिस्पाइट दैट आई हैव एडवाइस हिम दैट इन योर रिलीजन देयर इज ए टू लेडी आर अलाउड, यू कीप हिम।
यही गलत प्रोपोजिशन आपने फिर बोल दिया।
तो जो
This is what I used to ask question to my teacher in the classroom in the Delhi University Campus Law Center
माय लॉर्ड्स,
while studying family law.
माय लॉर्ड,
This is the question which I was asking to my teacher.
माय लॉर्ड्स।
And every time my teacher said, no, don't take it like this. If you can maintain them equally, then only you are permitted. And who can maintain equally?
नहीं, retain her with him.
ये सब छोड़िए, ये सब
नहीं ना, हमने जो हम whatever I
ये
have
सब
advised you,
चीजें जो है
Lord,
ना,
I am not concealing the fact.
रिलीजन वाली बातें छोड़िए, हम यहाँ कोई कानून से चलेंगे,
जी हाँ हाँ, whatever the law
कानून
permits.
से चलेंगे।
जी
कानून से आज के तारीख में तो कोई मटेरियल नहीं है हमारे सामने
जी
कि इन्होंने दूसरी शादी कर ली है। अगर ऐसा था, he should have filed an application for alteration or modification of the order. ये आज जो आपको वकील रखे हैं,
जी
थोड़ा दिन पहले इनको रखना चाहिए था ना,
अच्छा क्या
तब आप सलाह देते इनको।
जी
ये मॉडिफिकेशन का ऑर्डर क्यों नहीं करवाए वहां से? So long as this order exists,
ये लॉर्ड,
he is liable to pay। और 2000 रुपया में क्या होता है आज की तारीख में, बताइए।
I have also said this thing.
That amount was, my lord, fixed when the document on
Even
record was
the
about
vegetables.
his salary was 6,000 rupees. So today he is, my lord, earning about 36 or 37,
Give at least 5,000.
lordship.
Give at least 5,000 to your wife, so long as the order exists.
यदि हुजूर रखता है, साथ में रखता है तो, यदि साथ में ही रखता है तो
वो सब आप जाइए वहां जाकर के, अगर प्रॉपर ये चाहते हैं कि रखना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए भी कानून है, मीडिएशन में ले जाएं मैटर को,
जी
वहां मीडिएशन में ले जाकर के चीजों को सेटल करें। रोक कौन रहा है इनको? इन्होंने तो खुद ही ये सब बगैरू वाला काम किया है।
ठीक है, योर लॉर्डशिप ही विल पे 5,000 पर मंथ।
ये शुड बी रीजनेबल। पढ़ाते क्या होंगे बच्चे को, समझ में नहीं आती है।
नहीं, थोड़ा ये नाउ ही अपसेट, इसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम
तो सब कोर्ट का जब ऑर्डर जाता है, सुनिए सुनिए, कोर्ट का जब ऑर्डर जाता है ना,
जी
तो उसके बाद सब अपसेट हो जाता है।
now the entire system has been upset of the Vaishali district.
कोर्ट
Entire officer, our collector, our SP and the DO and the treasury officer, but every person have
एंड
advised.
एवरीबडी रिमेन स्लीपिंग जब तक कोर्ट का ऑर्डर नहीं आता है।
My lord.
देखा जाएगा, जब जो होगा देखा जाएगा, कोर्ट का आदेश आएगा तो देखा जाएगा। आई हैव आल्सो एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दैट साइड।
My lord,
व्हाट दे से,
I'm very much aware.
they do not take care of the orders of the court until it comes upon them, otherwise
Yeah.
everybody was sitting over the matter. Warrant of arrest not executed, direction given to district education officer not complied with. ये कोई मतलब ही नहीं है कोर्ट के ऑर्डर का। अभी इनको कंटेम्प्ट में अगर हम प्रोसीड कर जाएं
नहीं,
तो
वो
उसके
जो
बाद
काहे को किया जाएगा। पर
ठीक है। आप कब ज्वाइन किए हैं वैशाली?
कब ज्वाइन की? ये
Sir, 2020, late 2020.
अगस्त
2020 में।
2020 में।
तो आपको साहब हो गया 2 साल।
Sir, मैंने पाया सर।
सब 2 साल आपके लिए सफिशिएंट टाइम था जिला को समझने के लिए। कितने पुलिस स्टेशन हैं आपके अंदर?
29 सर।
29। तो ये सब रिव्यू करते हैं कोर्ट्स के वारंट्स कितने पेंडिंग हैं?
सर,
तो कभी ये सब चीज पर ध्यान नहीं दिए?
रिव्यू तो करते हैं सर।
कैसे छूट गया ये सब? तो बाकी ये 5,000 रुपया एडमिट कर रहे हैं, ये 5,000 रुपया देंगे।
Henceforth,
हाँ, henceforth from this month,
lordship.
From
this
the month of July or August.
from the month of July.
ठीक
We are in month of July,
ठीक
so
ठीक
from
है
July. लिखिए pursuant to the order dated 5/7/2022, the warrant of arrest earlier issued against the petitioner has been executed by the Superintendent of Police Vaisali. Full stop. The petitioner has been produced in this court. Full stop. The Mr. Your name?
Manish IPS. Personal appearance of your lordships. Firstly, we would like to record it.
Mr. Manish,
Manish
the Superintendent of Police,
Vaisali at Hajipur.
Vaisali at Hajipur. He is present in person. Full stop. A show cause has been filed on his behalf, wherein in paragraph 5 a statement has been made that by two pay slips, a sum of rupees 72,000 and rupees 46,000 respectively have been credited in the account of the opposite parties in compliance of the order passed by learned Principal Judge Family Court Siwan. Full stop. Next, the Superintendent of Police has submitted before this court that he was not made aware of the NBW issued against the petitioner by the concerned police station, and that is why it escaped his attention in course of the reviews undertaken for the execution of the pending warrant of arrests in different police stations. Full stop. Have you called upon the SHO?
Yes, your lordship.
Current SHO Mahua is over here, sir.
SHO Mahua
Have you
SHO Katahara.
has he explained?
सर अभी एक्सप्लेन किया मैं पूछने का टाइम दिया सर आई विल टेक एक्शन
The Superintendent of Police further informs this court that he is looking into the matter and will fix the responsibility upon the erring police officers of the concerned police station, because of whom laxity the NBW remained pending. Full stop. This court accepts his focus in view of the submissions above. Full stop. Next. A counter affidavit has been filed on behalf of the district magistrate. Counter affidavit क्यों लगा दिया?
So cause is required.
Counter has been filed by the respondent, my lord.
A show cause has been filed on behalf of the district magistrate Vaisali. Full stop. His show cause only states that the district education officer Vaisali by his letter number 915 dated 16/7/2022 has informed him as to the compliance of the order passed by the learned principal judge. Full stop. There is no statement at all as to why the district education officer Vaisali did not comply with the order of the learned court below for all these years. Full stop. The show cause seems to have been filed by way of a mere formality. Full stop. it was expected from an officer in the rank of district magistrate to be more responsible while filing a show cause in the court. Full stop. He was also expected to find out at his own level the reasons for non-compliances, and the responsibility should have been fixed upon the persons who failed to execute the order. But unfortunately, the DM Vaisali has not at all looked into those aspects of the matter. Full stop. Since this court is not willing to keep the matter pending only for this reason, the show cause is being taken on the record, but with a word of caution to the district magistrate Vaisali that while filing a show cause in such matters, he should show some more responsibility by answering all such ancillary issues which are being considered by this court. Full stop. For the present, the show cause is accepted. Next. A show cause has also been filed on behalf of the district education officer.
In paragraph 6 and 7, I have stated.
Full stop. He has also only stated what has been done at his end after receipt of the order of this court. Full stop. There is no explanation as to why the order could not be
With
complied
respect to
with.
the, my lord, delay, my lord, the district education officer recently joined, my lord, and there is no knowledge
You
about.
give the name of the officers who have not complied with this order. I will initiate a contempt proceeding against them.
So,
You should have disclosed the name. Why have you not disclosed?
so maybe drop.
No. I had asked
So direction of
ask for the name of those persons. Why have you not given the
direction of
names?
572722 order has been complied with. Maybe accept this so called and drop the contempt.
Why have you not given the name of those officers who did not comply with the order of the court? समटाइम्स कुछ डिटरेंट इफेक्ट्स के लिए भी ऑर्डर पास करना होता है। इनकी यही आदत रह जाएगी। आज यहाँ किए कल वहां करेंगे, यही आदत इनकी रह जाएगी। Who were the district education officer who did not comply with the order of the court for 4 years? And why have you not disclosed his name or their name? He has not even disclosed the name of the officers, predecessors in office who remained sitting over the matter. Full stop. The show cause filed on behalf of the district education officer is only a half-hearted affidavit just to somehow get rid of this case. Full stop. Next, at this stage, this court finds that because of inaction on the part of the district education officer, a poor lady who had been awarded a meager amount of maintenance allowance of rupees 2000 per month remained waiting for the money. Full stop. Such officers cannot be allowed to let go without adequately dealing with their inaction and the resultant consequences. Full stop. This court therefore directs the registry to institute a suo motu contempt proceeding against the district education officer Vaisali.
Time may, 2 week time may be allowed.
I will deal with your submissions in the contempt proceeding. And let the contempt proceeding be listed before an appropriate bench after seeking permission of Honorable the Chief Justice. Next, a show cause has been filed. ये कौन है? ये भी show cause है. There are 2 copies. ये क्या दे रहा?
किसका है?
इसमें भी दे रहे हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर.
ऑफिस लाया.
दो कॉपी दिए हैं शर्मा जी के.
अच्छा, ये ओरिजिनल है, एक ले आया है ऑफिस निकाल करके. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, the petitioner is being represented by Mr.
H.S. Himkar,
H.S. Himkar, Land Council,
duly assisted by Mr. Rajiv Ranjan.
duly assisted by Mr. Rajiv Ranjan,
Who is advocate on record.
the advocate on record. Full stop. Land Council submits that in fact the petitioner, being a teacher, should not have come to this court against the maintenance allowance of rupees 2,000 per month. And according to him, the revision application itself seems to be ill-advised. Full stop. Next, Land Council submits on instruction from the petitioner that considering his present salary of rupees 35,000 per month, the petitioner is ready to pay a sum of rupees 5,000 per month to his wife with effect from the month of July 2022 in order to show his bona fides. Full stop. This would, however, be subject to his rights and contentions, which may undertake by filing an appropriate application in the learned court below, if occasions so arise in accordance with law. आपको अगर कोई मॉडिफिकेशन फाइल करना है, कुछ करना है तो वहाँ कीजिएगा. Full stop. Next, this court makes it clear that the petitioners has undertaken to pay rupees 5,000 per month from July 2022, which will be deducted from his salary by the district education officer Vaisali, and the same will be remitted in the account of the opposite party so long as the learned court below does not alter or modify the order awarding maintenance. Full stop. If any such application is filed on behalf of the petitioner in the learned court below, the same will be considered on its own merit without being influenced by any observation of this court. Full stop. The district education officer Vaishali shall further ensure that the remaining amount of rupees, how much?
16,000, my lord.
Of rupees 16,000 against the arrears be also remitted to the appointed parties in the next month. Full stop. Next, since the petitioner, who is a panchayat teacher, has avoided the order of the learned court below for several years, and ultimately only because of the efforts made by this court, he could appear today, considering that he made the appointed parties to contest the litigations all these years, this court awards a cost of litigation assessed at rupees 20,000, which will be payable to the appointed parties by the petitioner within a period of 2 months from today. Full stop. एक ही अपोजिट पार्टी है, only one opposite party. This application thus stands disposed of with aforesaid directions and observations.
Your Lordship, the personal appearance of the Superintendent of Police and
Matter has come to an end. Where is
वो
the
तो ठीक
question
है,
of
लेकिन
personal appearance?
जो रिकॉर्ड में रहना चाहिए कि रिकॉर्ड में ही
आप वकील होकर के ऐसा when the proceeding itself has
And now the,
come to an end,
when the proceeding itself become disposed of,
then
Your Lordship,
everything has merged with the final order.
and you must be the
Now all orders have merged with the final order.
My Lord, merge with the final order.
तो
Yes,
इनका appearance का क्वेश्चन कहाँ होता है?
जी,
कौन से प्रोसीडिंग में?
न ठीक,
My lord,
लिखवा देना है अभी भी लिखवाने के लिए कर रहे हैं.
नहीं नहीं, it has merged with the final order.
my lord, my appearance on behalf of the opposite party.
हाँ तो इनका रहेगा मिस्टर प्रशांत कुमार, लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर दी अपोजिट पार्टीज. कहीं नाम जिक्र कर दीजिएगा इनका, इनको भी तसल्ली होनी चाहिए कि
ठीक है तो फायदे
ठीक. देखिए जरा रिव्यू कीजिए सब थाना वगैरह में कहाँ पेंडिंग रखे हुए हैं, कितना वारंट ये लोग. वो सारे केसेस में ऑफिशियल विटनेस वगैरह नहीं अपीयर कर रहे हैं, ट्रायल पेंडिंग चल रहा है इसी वजह से. ठीक.
Oblige.